Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever in the world you may be. This is just a quick video about the crypto and macroeconomic news that I feel we all should know. Bitcoin rebounded to around $84,000 before taking a breather. Matthew Hyland, a bullish cryptocurrency analyst, said that Bitcoin must ensure that the closing price this week is above $89,000 to confirm that the bottom has passed. Otherwise, it may trigger a new round of plunge. Hyland believes that the $89,000 level is crucial. According to CoinGlass data, a drop below $89,000 in Bitcoin will liquidate approximately $1.6 billion in short positions. He warned that if Bitcoin fails to close above that level, its price could fall to between $74,000 and $69,000, a level that Bitcoin has not reached since November 2024. It's possible that Bitcoin could test this floor at some support level in the coming weeks or months. If we do have a weekly close above this area, I think the low is in for Bitcoin, and we won't fall to this area. Hyland also stressed that when Bitcoin breaks through resistance levels, it usually leads to further gains. However, demand for Bitcoin in the United States has been declining recently due to macroeconomic factors. CryptoQuant said that last week's demand for Bitcoin fell by 103,000 Bitcoins compared to the previous week, the fastest contraction since July 2024. The agency explained that the recent decline in U.S. Bitcoin demand was due to uncertainty about the U.S. inflation rate and the tariffs imposed by U.S. President Trump on February 1st. On March 7th, Federal Reserve Chairman Powell reiterated that there was no rush to adjust interest rates. Firex Ni, a Chinese analyst, said that after 4 working days, there is still no sign of a sharp rise in the number of open contracts of Bitcoin, indicating that current investors are still in a confused stage and are not completely sure about the long and short positions. Looking back at the data of Bitcoin itself, the turnover rate has begun to fall today, and the VIX of U.S. stocks is also falling, which means that the panic in the market is gradually turning around, but it has not completely ended yet. Both the turnover rate and VIX are still at a high level. I just took a look at the Bitcoin price on CME. It's less than $150 away from filling the last short-term gap. If sentiment can remain good and there is no new negative data, it should be filled tomorrow. The U.S. stock market closed well today, with the Nasdaq up 1.13% and the S&P 500 up 0.49%. I hope there won't be any unexpected events after the U.S. stock market closes. Firex Ni pointed out that although the price performance of Bitcoin has not been very good in recent times, the dense chip area between $93,000 and $98,000 has not collapsed, and fewer investors have left the market. Although there may be some pressure when it returns to $95,000, the impact on the price before that is still mainly from ultra-short-term investors, which can also be seen from the turnover data. Thank you for watching. Wish us all luck for the coming weeks and months.